Happy day, children. Today we are going to discuss about good citizen. In this unit, we come to know the difference between animals and human beings and also the factors that enrich the good values. Man is a social animal. That is, human beings are bestowed with senses. These senses make them to think and act according to it. Children, what are the senses we have? Sight, touch, hearing, taste, and smell. So, we humans are using such senses to survive in the society. In the same way, we are born with few values and rights. To live in the society, we need to develop some good values. Okay, what do you mean by good values? Yes, good values are the qualities of a person that keeps society running, such as tolerance, empathy, confidence, creativity, etc. Children, where you are developing your good values? Yes, your good values and skills are polished in educational institutions like school and colleges. So, the aim of education is to change a person into a valuable person where you develop all your skills like creative development, social development, etc. The term civic relate to people or a civilian or a citizen of a country. How one should live in a society? People should live together in harmony despite all the disparities because it is a significant value. There should be no disparity among people and all are one. Therefore, today's children are tomorrow's citizens of the nation. World survives on morality. Selfishness is immoral and selflessness is moral by Swami Vivekananda. Our good values has been classified as personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values and constitutional values. Personal values. Personal values is the basic value for every individual. Some personal values are love, mercy, honesty, cooperation, kindness, etc. The essence of the society is to become well mannered and cultured, which states the cultural values. Irrespective of language and religion, people live together in harmony. This helps to maintain a cultural values. What do you mean by unity in diversity? Yes, despite of different culture, religion and languages, people of India live together with love and brotherhood. The immense unity in diversity makes India an example of cultural brotherhood. Unity in diversity states we are all humans and Indians too. We must live together as brothers and sisters. Social values. We can maintain good values in public places by maintaining good relations with people, respect elders, respect nature, be tolerant, and maintain friendship. Here, some social values which has been followed during Sangam age. The king Sibi offered the flesh of his thighs to a wounded dove. To give justice to a cow, Manunadi Cholan killed his son under the wheels of his chariot. King Pari offered his chariot to a mullai. King Pehan offered a shawl to a peacock. Disciplinary values. It shows punctuality, involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding your morals, doing duties without fail, etc. Some core values has been given such as trust, accountability, brotherhood, equality, equity, integrity, etc. Constitutional values. What do you mean by constitution? The constitution is a set of rules that guides how a country, state or other political organization should work. It also states the rights of a citizens. As an Indian citizen, we should follow some constitutional values which has been listed in this slide. Number 1, safeguard the public properties, maintain the unity and integrity of the nation, develop scientific attitude, protect the natural resources, care for the environment, honor the national symbol, and so on. Here, this shows the core of Indian values. There are some factors which affects our values. They are: don't break the queue or rules. Extreme faith in religion leads to communalism. Example, submerging idols in water bodies. Busting crackers causes pollution. Polluting land and water and also burning the old objects. So, in the name of modernization, polythene, plastics and non-decomposable things are used, which causes various problems in the environment. Here are some factors that enriches good values, such as literacy, creating awareness and interest, trying hard till success, one's own evaluation, acceptance and self-confidence. One general and main feature of good values is to preserve hygiene. Each person should be taught to be hygienic and should follow the routine given below. That is, wake up early in the morning, brush your teeth, have a bath, wear clean clothes, wear slippers or shoes, trim hair and cut the nails, wash hands before and after meals. I hope you all understood the concept good citizen, and I'll be glad if you maintain a good values and the rules and regulations of our country. Thank you, children.